Hello, good morning, all of you. Really sorry due to nature of the project. So many time I have changed the process of working. Right now we are going for the finalization. So now I am sharing you how to do work. Uh, okay. Uh, Please avoid the previous video tutorial. Okay. And now this is the final one. Let me share my screen so that you guys can understood. Okay. Now you need to log in on the portal via your ID and correct password. I'll give you the ID and password accordingly. Okay. Now sign in. Go on transcription. Here you will get the project related to your assignment. Right now I am, for example, I am going on the Marathi project. Let's click on view. Here you will get the so many audios and multiple audios. So you can choose whatever is available except by. This is the tab. Here you can see which audio is right now available. Right now the all five are blanks, means these fives are available. If someone take it, then you will get the these like accepted by this person. Okay. And this free blank means you can opt it. So now again I am going to Marathi. Now the availability is here, so I am taking the first one. While clicking, it will get upload. It take little time, not too much, so don't worry about that. And I thought you all read and understood the guideline properly. Now I am going zoom it little bit. Okay, now what you need to do, you just need to create the segment and do the transcription. Just like I am clicking here, and from here I can drag, so it will create the first segment just like that. Okay, and now here it is showing from 0 to 2. So just adjust it. In the first segment you need to do it. After that you don't need to do this type of process to adjust the segment. Now I told you that we need to align the uh, target language in the English language with the English language file. So I am going to open my English file. Where it was, it is here. You need to open these also. Now what is my first segment is background noise. So I am clicking from here, getting proper background sound. Pause it. I can select the background music. Okay. Check it, background music. All right. So say it. Now from here I can see the reference file. In the reference file, first segment is for honey. Matlab means the first person speaking whose name is honey. Okay, he is saying something here. So what we can do, we just click here and play. Just hold a sec. Here is something different because our first segment is not properly done. Now I have deleted the first segment. We'll create again. Okay. While zooming, I can play from here. Just listen to the background music. Here to here. This is our first segment. So what we can do from here, clicking, I am dragging these one plate. Okay, we can drag it, adjust it to the point so that our segment will be complete. Uh, okay, these are segment properly complete. And now here I can add the tag. These are first segment. In the reference file, our first segment is just like that, uh, 00 to 9.1. Here our first segment is 9.53 to the 53. So it will be okay. We don't need to match the exact time duration of the segment. We just need to maintain the scenario of the segment. Just like here, segment first is background, segment second is like that. So we can't do that. We create the single segment for honey and bunny both. Okay, we need to create the separate segment for the both. Just here, see in the reference file here, the speaker bunny is saying something, but it won't be intelligible. So the speaker tag put the tag UNK. If in your file it is good, you can listen it properly, you can understand, you can transcribe the particular segment too. Now we are going for our main file here. Now from here to here, speaker is saying something, so we can drag it from here to here. Okay, now we know what our speaker is. It will be always same: male, normal, and honey. Okay, now I am selecting here male, speaker name is honey, language is Marathi dash English, because the speaker is saying, hey Madam Alia, means he is something saying something in Marathi and also using some English word, so we can put Marathi hyphen English. Now here speaker is saying, hey Madam Alia. Okay, like that. Then what? Now emotion. What emotion is? Normal. We can choose from here normal. These are complete sentence. We can save it. Okay. From we will create the another one segment. From here to here, the another one is speaker that is tagged here UNK, means unintelligible. But in our Marathi file, it is properly intelligible. We can write it down. So we'll listen again and we'll create segment for this. Okay. From here to here, this is our segment. Another one speaker name is Bunny. Bunny. Oh, sorry. Bunny. Language. Language. We can listen. Okay. Here the speaker speak in only Marathi, so we can put like that and write. Hey, is saying Ale kahe. Hmm. Okay. And the emotion is normal. So we will select the normal. Now save it just like that. Okay. So now in our file, a reference file which is in English, here the third segment is UNK, but in our Marathi file, it is properly transcribed like that. So it will be okay. Now from here, it is showing the background noise, background music from these to this. Let me check. Just hold a second. I'll call to Marathi person. She will understand it properly and give you the further instruction for that. Just hold a sec. Now from here, our we don't have any audio, so we just put the tag like the reference file background music. After that, we are creating the another one segment that is also available in our reference file. Okay. uh, उधर से reference file open करो. Now you can see the sixth segment, right? Speaker is saying oh, and she is female, emotion is normal, and name is Katkar. So from the reference file we'll get all these information. Again the same speaker is speaking something. We are just getting the Marathi audio, so we will transcribe it. We'll take all the general parameter like gender, emotion, name, and language from the reference file, and we will create the another one new segment. You can adjust the segment according to your convenient or according to the reference file. If in the reference file it is a little bit fast forward or backward, you can adjust it. जरूरी नहीं पूरा लिख देता हूँ. Reference file open. Now we are creating one more segment. Here the here speaker is changed. Now the honey is speaking something. So we just create the another one segment for these speaker. Okay. Just like that, you can create the segment and took the reference from the English reference file. Okay. So this will be our tool on that you have to work, and like that you can do the whole file. Okay. Uh, you don't need to you don't need to follow the guideline too much, because there is a reference file here, you can get the proper thing. Now one thing will be extra add on, just like if you get the these tech, but it won't be possible to put in here. If you want to sorry, this is just for extra file. It will, this line is extra. It will be useful for the QA, so I'll separately let you know how to use these. You, in the transcription, you can ignore these lines. Okay. And now suppose you got the seg file, uh, just like that. uh, in the reference file we got the first segment by the background music, but if you got the any file, there there is beep sound. Okay. For the 5 to 10 seconds, so you need to create the say separate segment for the beep sound. And if there is silence too, you need to create the another one segment for the silence, and then forget these two tech. After that you can follow the reference file, so that your work will be better. Okay. Now if you have any question or any query, please ping me, I'll let you know. I thought these will be okay for you. Okay.